సామి అంటంటే నా పెనిమిటి లెక్క సక్కంగుందిర సామి నా సామి నీ ఎనకే అడిగేస్తాంటే నీ ఎనకే అడిగేస్తాంటే ఎంకన్న గోడి ఎక్కినట్టుందిర సామి నీ పక్కన కూసుంటాంటే పరమేశ్వరుడే తక్కినట్టుందిర సామి నువ్వు ఎల్లే దారి సుత్తా ఉంటే ఎరే ఎండినట్టుందిర సామి నా సామి నా సామి రర సామి బంగారు సామి మీసల సామి రోషల సామి నా సామి రర సామి బంగారు సామి మీసల సామి రోషల సామి
નમસ્કાર, તમે કેમ છો? મજામાં? શું તમે આનંદ માણી રહ્યા છો?
Yes, I know this language. This is Gujarati language of state Gujarat, is it?
Yes, Gujarat. This rich state is famous for its food such as dokla, fafda, etc. and dance like Garba and Dandiya. This state is also popular for its business mentalities and thereby producing world-class businessmen and leaders. Gandhinagar is the capital of the state. People generally talk in Gujarati. Somnath Temple and Dwarkadish Temple is the main attraction of the state. So let's go to Gujarat and have some Gujarati flavor with our little students of LKG in the song Udi Udi Jai.
देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए।
कहने को तो खेल है ये तेरा मेरा साझा, पर मेरा दिल है पतंग और तेरी नजर मांझा। मांझे से लिपटी ये पतंग जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए। दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए।
दो दिल उड़े ऊंचे आसमानों में जुड़े। कब था पता इसका, तेरे प्रेम का एक तारा मन में यूं पल पल बाजेगा।
मुझे कब थी खबर इसकी, मेरे मन के सिंहासन पर तू सदा कोयों बिराजेगा। कोई भी कठिनाई हो या कोई हो मजबूरी, तेरी मेरी एक भी पल होवे नहीं दूरी।
माझे से लिपटी ये पतंग जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए,
उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए।
Thank you kids, very nice performance. Clap for them.
गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया। नमस्कार, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी। आपण कसे आहात? तुम्ही आनंद घेत आहात ना?
हे आपली भाषा आहे.
Yes, this is Marathi language of state Maharashtra. From Bollywood to Chawls of Mumbai, stunning beaches to ancient caves, and Ganesh festival to rich art and culture. Maharashtra is the state which holds everything to surprise its visitors. It is also known as land of legendary icon like Chhatrapati Sri Shivaji Maharaj. Mumbai is the capital of this state and Marathi is the native language. Lavani dance is famous as its major dance form. So let's have some Maharashtrian flavor with our tiny dancers of LKG class and performing in the song Malhari.
आंधी रोके तो हम तूफान, तूफान रोके तो हम आग का दरिया। ये शपथ है बाजीराव बल्लाड़ की। हर हर महादेव।
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी। खड़क धड़क भड़क झाली चटक मटक फटक झाली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली। अरे बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी। खड़क धड़क भड़क झाली चटक मटक फटक झाली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली। बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी। खड़क धड़क भड़क झाली चटक मटक फटक झाली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली। धीरे धीरे बड़ी चली है जो थी चिंगारी छोटी चिंगारी। भरी 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 है मन की अलमारी। आज अलमारी हुई सतरंगी चांदी सतरंगी हुई सतरंगी थी जो ये रात काली। धड़क धड़क भड़क झाली चटक मटक फटक झाली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली।
एक नंबर परफॉर्मेंस. Parents, please clap.
नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ। आपण माने केमिति अछंती? प्रोग्रामटा भल लगुची तो उपभोग करूचंदी कि नहीं?
Wait, again, which language is this? Please inform us about this language.
Okay, this is Odia language of state Odisha. This religious state is famous for its centuries old temples such as Puri Jagannath Temple, Konark Temple, which is the only sun temple in India, and Lingaraj Temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Its Puri beach is the longest sea beach in India. Odisha is the only state that sponsors and promotes to our national game hockey. Bhubaneswar is the capital of this state and people use Odia language. Odissi is the major dance form of this state. So everyone, let's have a glimpse of Odisha with our tiny dancers of class UKG in the world famous song Rangavati Rangavati.
रंगवती रे रंगवती हे रंगवती रे रंगवती हाय रंगवती रंगवती कौन कलता हसी पदे कहन कथा हाय रंगवती रंगवती कौन कलता हसी पदे कहन कथा रंगवती रंगवती
জীবন গলা রতন রে আখি দেখিছে কেতে সপন এ জীবন জীবন গলা রতন রে
ভঙ্গা ঘরে চৌকা জন রে ভঙ্গা ঘরে চৌকা জন রে ভঙ্গা ঘরে চৌকা জন আহার মূর্ধন কিড়ে মিলন ছন ছন হেসি মন হায় আহার মূর্ধন কিড়ে মিলন ছন ছন হেসি মন रंगवती रंगवती हे रंगवती रे रंगवती हे रंगवती रे रंगवती हाय रंगवती रंगवती कौन कलता हसी पदे कहन कथा हाय रंगवती रंगवती कौन कलता हसी पदे कहन कथा
What fascinating performance! Nalvaravu, Vanakkam, Peerpakkal Vanakkam, Ningal, Yapadi, Irukirgal, Nandri.
Listen, which language is this again?
Yes, I am telling this in Tamil language of state Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is famous for natural resources, Hindu temples, hill station and numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It is home to Tamil, one of the oldest language of the world. Tamil Nadu is also popular for Tollywood, the second largest film producing industry of the state, India. Bharatnatyam is the main dance form. Chennai is the state capital of Tamil Nadu. So let's go to Tamil Nadu with our little tiny tots of UKG class performing in the song Appadi Pode Pode. So let's enjoy, parents.
அப்படி போடு 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 அஸ்தி போடு கண்ணாலே இப்படி
நடை போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த நடை போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா
அப்படி போடு 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 அசத்தி போடு கண்ணால இப்படி போடு 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 இழுத்து போடு கையால நீ படுத்திரியே என் மெதுவாய கழுத்துல நீ மணத்திரியே இது அதுதானா உன்னோட கண்ணங்களை கண்ணங்கடி நான் கடிக்க என்னோட காது பக்கம் செல்லங்கடி நீ கடிக்க இந்த வயசு போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த வயசு போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த வயசு போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா
கபடி போட 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 அதடி போட கண்ணால கபடி போட 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 எடுத்து போட கையால
Wow, what a fantabulous performance by kids. Great. Now we would like to invite our parents to say few words. Advik Poddar parents, Mr. Vishal Poddar, please come on the stage.
Good afternoon everybody. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. First of all, I feel very privileged to be part of Disney as a parent and to stand in front of you all to express gratitude and to thank all wonderful team of Disney for having such a grand celebration, preparing such a tender aged tiny tots for such and beautiful performances is not such a easy, and thus the efforts which you all have put in is commendable. The way program moved on with time was sequential and kept audience intact. We really enjoyed with cheerful emotions. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that school management really deserves the applaud for smooth execution and rigorous participation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, Avya and Ananya Prasad parents, Mrs. Pooja Prasad, please come on the stage. Parents, अभी प्रोग्राम बाकी है, प्लीज अपने बच्चों को प्रोग्राम अटेंड कीजिए पूरा, फिर उसके बाद ले जाइए. इसके बाद हमारे ब्यूटीफुल टीचर्स का परफॉर्मेंस होगा और आप पेरेंट्स का भी परफॉर्मेंस बाकी है. प्लीज एंजॉय दिस प्रोग्राम.
Okay, I'm feeling nervous. But anyways, good afternoon or good evening everyone. My name is Pooja Prasad. I'm the mother parent of Avya Prasad and Anaya Prasad. Okay, Disney International School is a very nice platform for my daughters and for every kids. Here they are getting lots of activities, platform where they can do many activities like everything, like drawing, the skill improvement, everything. And even for myself or even for parents, they are getting many chances like Navratri, Teachers Day, like Parents Day, Mother Day, Father's Day, everything. They are giving us to a chance to do something, show our performance, or show our skills in Disney International School. Like even myself, I have attended a Navratri celebration, and it was very nice. And I can see my kids transition in the school, like their activities, their performance, how they are behaving. There are lots of changes in behaves. Like now they are speaking in English with us. This is very nice thing. Thank you, Disney. Thank you, Disney International School. This is a very nice platform for everyone, for kids. Okay, thank you. Vande Mataram.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request if any of our parents is interested to come on stage and can say a few words.
My both kids are in Disney International School. One of my younger kid, Mr. Farhan, he was with Disney, and Hassan is also with this. Recently he has danced with this Apode Pode song. Okay, the part is that the interest to come in the school. Likewise, हमारी केस में या माझ्या केसमध्ये असं होतं की वडील 2 वेळा फटके टाकले आणि मग मी शाळेला गेलो. पण इथं मुलं म्हणतात की आमच्या शाळेला एकदा या. मला असं वाटतं की मी पहिल्यांदाच 2 वर्षात पहिल्यांदाच आलेलो आहे आणि हा कार्यक्रम अटेंड केला. लास्ट टाइम जेव्हा फरहान या स्कूलला होता त्यावेळेला सुद्धा मी हा कार्यक्रम अटेंड केला होता. आणि एक सांगायला येईल की जो इंटरेस्ट पार्ट आहे आणि टीचर्सचं पर्सनल लक्ष आहे. इवन फ्रॉम प्रिन्सिपल सर, when I have not been informed by his mother that there is an annual function, he personally called me and told about the function, that your ward is doing so good, why don't you be a part of this, and there should be a participation from your kid, and he should not miss. So really it's a good time to spend with this particular function, and we will always remember our kid learns or the teaching staff and the principal sir specifically, and I miss the name, I think Rathod ma'am, about my son Farhan. He learned a lot from her. Especially thanks to you, ma'am, and thank you Disney for making this wonderful function. And I'd like to say thank you for it's really, I cannot say, but it's a parenting stuff for our kids, that they are enjoying with the school and the teachers are treating our kids like a parent. I would like to thank you Disney and all the teaching staff. Thank you principal sir.
मैं भी इमोशनल हो गई. और कोई है जो हम? यस सर, प्लीज कम.
Very good evening all. Hope all are enjoying all the performance and the proper management by the team, core team. Myself Mohan, actually. I want to say a few words on about the Disney school and their team, their teachers team. Importantly, I want to add here, in pandemic, the school was very in a proper mode. Like online, you are aware of this, that they used to take the school in online, and how difficult, like we used to sit and we used to see that how difficult it is to tell them that their attraction, their kids' attraction, and in that difficult way, they done their job very proactively, and for that I want to congratulate all their entire team and the management for from bringing the confidence in child. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now moving ahead, now it's time for most awaited moment, that is Best Parents Awards. We have selected Best Parents out of some criterias. Criterias are attendance status, homework status, parents' overall participation in school event, parents' cooperation with school, PTM attendance. All parents are doing very hard effort to groom their words. It's very hard to select best parent from each class, as all parents are best parents for us. On the basis of these criteria, we have selected one best parents for each class. I would like to invite class teachers to come on stage and do the honor giving the awards to your parents. I would also like to invite our chief guest, Miss Sinma Tanwar ma'am, or our special guest, Miss Romal ma'am, and founder Vishal Bhavsar sir and Sangeeta Bhavsar ma'am to now best parents from play group, Jian Jain parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jain. Please come on this stage. Okay, they are Anna Rivankar and Mr. and Mrs. Rivankar. From UKG class, Amnish Hande, Mr. and Mrs. Hande. Please come with your जब रास्ता बंद हो तो नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं गुरु। गुरु सिर्फ हमें किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं देते, जीवन कैसे जीना है ये भी सिखाते हैं। मेहनत की राह पर चलना सिखाते हैं, जुनून की आग में जलना सिखाते हैं। जिनको कितना सतलाते थे कभी नहीं रूठते, वो ही हम बच्चों में सफल इंसान है ढूंढते। Now it's time to showcase talents of our beautiful mentors, that is our teachers. Will perform. Everyone enjoy this.
रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए। संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय ये दिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल गाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय।
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चल ऐसा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे उंगली लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई। छन छन बोले अंदर सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेचारी कर ले गल्ला बूढ़िया।
देखी है सारी दुनिया जापान से लेके रशिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लेके अमेरिका। देखा है प्यार का सपना दिल चाहे कोई अपना मिल जाएगा एक साथिया एक देसिया। मेरे निंदिया एक दिल चाहिए रस मेरी निंदिया। ओ हो मेरे निंदिया एक प्यारा सोनिया एक दिल चाहिए रस मेरी निंदिया।
Now it's time to showcase the talent of our lovely parents. They will showcase a beautiful ramp walk. Let's welcome the participants with big round of applause. Participants are Mr. and Mrs. Upadhyay, Mr. and Mrs. Das, Mr. and Mrs. Shahpure, Durga Kale, Aditi Shirke, Pooja Prasad, Mamta Pawra, पूनम सुर्वे, स्मिता सालके, अनुपमा कुमारी, गायत्री चेपे, स्वाति सिंगर, रश्मि तांदुलकर, आशा काटिकर and Kalpana Chepe. Parents, please come. Vishal sir and Sangeeta ma'am to give token of thanks to our choreographers.
एक और वोट ऑफ थैंक्स छूट गया है, जो हर बार हर मोमेंट पे मेरे साथ रहता है। शुरुआत तो हमारा एज ए सप्लायर हुआ था, लेकिन अभी वो मेरे खास दोस्त है और मैं उनसे कभी कुछ मांगता हूँ तो मेरे को ऐसे ही दे देते हैं, ले ले। उनका नाम है मिस्टर जायसवाल, प्लीज़ कम। और उनके लिए ये मोमेंटो या फिर ये क्या फ्लावर्स और ये कुछ मायने नहीं रखता है।
Seema, our special guest, Ms. Romal Surana ma'am, who spared from their busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you. And this would have not been possible without the guidance of our beloved founders, Sir, Mr. Vishal Bhavsar sir and Sangeeta Bhavsar ma'am. I would heartily thank our parents, students, our choreographers and our teachers, helping staff. Without your support, this program would have not been possible. I would also like to thank our sound and graphic support, Mr. Sanket Borate, all our suppliers and Ankush Rao, Lande Auditorium Management and staff. Now, it's time to conclude our program. I hereby announce that the program is over. Now, there is a small announcement, that is, we will be going to give mementos to our parents who were in ramp walk. So I call all the parents to come on the stage for the mementos. All the parents, Mr. and Mrs. Upadhyay, Mr. and Mrs. Now I would like to call Vishal sir and Sangeeta ma'am to give away the